Hi all, welcome to Tech Forum. In this video, let us talk about a useful NPM module called Xtype.js. Xtype.js is a elegant, highly efficient data validation for JavaScript. This will helps us to resolve the complexities around the type of function of vanilla JavaScript. The Xtype.js can be directly included as a JS or can be included as a NPM module. Let me show you that. You can refer the Xtype.js detail in this page, xtype.js.org. So overview. So the mainly, if you see the difference here, this is the vanilla functionality, JavaScript functionality to check any type of the variable, type of value, string, then you need to write lot of logic around that. But that can be simplified like this. If you see here, xtype dot which then value, then you can specify the types. So string 2, then string 1. So you can go to the descriptive names that will give the full detail. So what does that mean? Multi character string, single character string, then positive integer, then like a single property object, multi property object, number or nothing. So then easily you can identify and you can check for the types. Also, like you can like extend or customize the types. If you see here, like you want to validate the SSN, you can create or extension you can add to validate the SSN. So then you can use that type to check it. Now if I go to the module is open source and it's available here, this GitHub Xtype.js. You can refer this detail over here. So this is mainly built on the TypeScript, so you can read through that. Then if I go to the guide, so you can see the overall details how to install. So as I said, like installation, you can install through the npm module for Node.js. Then you can use this to add that module require Xtype.js. So also you can use directly through browser by pointing to that xtype.js URL. So these two options are possible. So you can read through this. Here a lot of options are available. If you want to check the type, how you can check the type, xtype.type null equal to null, or it will check for null, then array, then multiple options. Also, like there is another function called xtype.is, like you can check for whether this particular data is of type this whatever you specified. Now checking the instance type. See, let's say you want to check whether the value whatever you are providing is of type product object, so you can check like this. Also, like again we already seen this xtype.which, so you can use that for again checking. So also like even you can register a new type and you can use that too. So there is a different option. See, even there is other methods like xtype is single character string. So directly you can use that and you say whether this flag is a single character or not. So same thing. The is float, is positive number, is NaN, single element array, like a non-empty object. So all those things you can use it. So so I will skip all those things. This is fine. Even Boolean values you can check it. So you can read through this actually. You can have a user defined types also. The SSN example whatever we shown, you can register your own types also. So that's the main thing here. Now if I go to the types, you can read through all the available types, null, whatever the types is supported. You can read through that and you can use it. Then if I go to API, so this will highlight all the APIs. Xtype.is method is there. Then that we discussed. Xtype.is type, like is this a specific type? We can ask it. Then like other method is single character string. Not is like there is a lot of methods like which. So whatever the method you want, you can use that. Let us see now quickly how to add to Node.js application and enable the symbol validation. So for that, what you need to do is first install this module. So if I go here, so you need to install npm install Xtype.js. I'm saving this. I already installed. I am skipping that. You can install this. So once the module is installed, you will be able to use that. So now for that I am going to show you a simple validation file. So validate service. Here I am using the expanded values because somehow for me that the short values were not working. Maybe I did some mistake. Multi-character string. I want to check whether this value is of what type, right? The multi-character string or single character array. What is this value? So I will start with maybe a value of 8. Let us now like validate it. If I go here and access this localhost 8080 validate, yeah, see it's saying positive integer. Maybe let me go and now change it to maybe -8. Let me go and validate now. If I go here, it should be saying, yeah, saying number. So same way, like maybe you can give a single character. So I will enter a, yeah. If you validate now, if you validate, it should be saying single, yeah, single character string. Same way, like you can try for anything. Maybe I will try this one too. If you go and validate now, it should say multi character string. Okay, Xtype.js can be used to validate your data. Mainly, like it will help you to validate simplify the validation of type of check. So easily you can check your variables for what type, and there is multiple options. You can refer that. Okay, thanks all for watching the video. See you in next video.